Adrien Broner put in handcuffs, and wow, man, it's crazy. Definitely not really that good for face of boxing and all. He was not arrested; he was only detained. But still, for the sponsors and all that, that's really not good. Adrien Broner is already outspoken now. It's not a good public image to put out there. But Adrien Broner is a unique fighter. He does things basically his own way, for some are saying. And Adrien Broner put in handcuffs, live video analysis. It's pretty immature to do that. And yeah, man. I mean, Adrien Broner. It's pretty real, I guess you would say. Adrien Broner. So yeah, guys, thank you.